Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a program that checks if files are full or empty. So first of all, we've got a folder here called test, and we've got an empty file in it, and we've got a full file. So what I've done here, I've created the path, which is C users mark desktop test. So test is the name of the folder that we're going to test, and that is the path to it. Then I've used the print command here, showing empty folders here at this path. So we've interpolated the path into this string here and added a new line at the end. And then we use the sleep function here and entered in a value of 2, which is 2 seconds. So that will pause the program for 2 seconds. Then I've created an array called files, assigned it to glob, and inserted the path here into it. So we're going to load all those files into the array, and then what we're going to do is we're going to search through that array using the for each loop. So for each my file, so we're going to use file to iterate over anything in there in the files array here. We'll come down to the conditional if, because we're evaluating something. So we've got this little D here, so this means directory. So if directory, if that iterator there is a directory, and we create another array called inside, which means inside the file, and assign it to glob, and we assign it to the file there, and then we're going to evaluate it. So if scalar and the array inside is equal to 0, 0 is the size, which is nothing, and we're using scalar here to get the size. We're going to print a message to the user folder. The file is empty, so again we'll interpolate this into the string. Or else, if that's not the case, we print the folder and the file are not empty. So like I said before, we're going to do the test, which is this one here, test directory. So we've got an empty and we've got a full folder here. So let's just run this. Okay, so there we go. So we've got the folder C, test is empty. So the empty folder is empty, and the test folder not empty. Okay, so there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.